Secret email system. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something super exciting for all of you entrepreneurs, digital marketers, and anyone looking to grow their business online. We're diving into the high secret email system by Bacak, and trust me, you'll want to stick around for this one. If you're curious about how email marketing can bring in massive profits with just a few hours of work per week, this review is for you. What is the secret email system? So, what exactly is the fun secret email system? In a nutshell, it's an email marketing strategy designed to help you build a sustainable online business. This system teaches you how to generate sales 24/7 using automated email campaigns. You don't need a huge list to get started, and the best part, it's suitable for beginners and advanced marketers alike. This system promotes what Bacak calls a freedom lifestyle, where the business works for you instead of the other way around. The book explains the step-by-step formula for creating a profitable email list without spending hours every day on marketing. Who is Bacak? If you're wondering why you should listen to Bacak, let me tell you a bit about him. He's an award-winning internet marketer with over a decade of experience. He's built multi-million-dollar companies and helped over 12 million people with his email marketing strategies. In short, the guy knows his stuff. Main features of the secret email system. Now let's break down the key features that make this system stand out. Step-by-step formula. Matt shows you the exact process he used to generate over 1 million online. Yes, you heard that right too. 7. Powerful traffic sources. You'll learn about Matt's secret traffic methods that can drive high-quality leads to your business. Self-funding subscriber formula. This is pure gold. It teaches you how to grow your email list for free while still making a profit perfect. Automated system. Once everything is set up, your email campaigns run on autopilot, meaning you only need to work around 2 hours per week. Who wouldn't love that fans? Swipe files and templates. You'll get access to about 1,000 pre-written email swipe files, so you don't have to start from scratch. These are emails that have already proven to convert. Now let's quickly go over the pros and cons of the secret email system. Pros. First one, easy to follow. Matt breaks things down in simple steps, so even if you're a beginner, you won't feel overwhelmed. 30 and proven results. Matt's system has already helped thousands of people build successful businesses using email marketing. Incredibly affordable. 8 at just $5.60. This is an absolute steal considering the amount of value you're getting. Cons on now seen for it's very text heavy. I think a few more visuals or screenshots would be helpful, especially for those who are more visual learners. You'll need to spend time setting everything up initially, but once it's done, the system runs on autopilot. So, who is this system for its perfect for? Marketers and entrepreneurs who want to scale their businesses. E-commerce businesses looking to drive more sales. Social media marketers who want to boost engagement and conversions. Honestly, anyone running an online business, whether you're a freelancer, a blogger, or just someone trying to build passive income, this system can help you generate consistent revenue. An irresistible offer video guide. The High-Threx formula calculator, a 1,000 email swipe file, free access to Matt's lead generation template, which has helped generate over 350,000 leads. There are many more bonuses included, but I don't want to spoil everything for you. Alright guys, here's my final verdict. If you've been struggling to build an online business or just want to take your email marketing game to the next level, the secret email system is a no-brainer. It's affordable, effective, and designed for long-term success. Plus, with Bacak's proven strategies, you're learning from one of the best in the business. If you're ready to dive in, I've put the link in the description where you can grab the secret email system. For just $560, don't miss out on this incredible deal.